Hi, Miss Gail here with the Boulder City Library. We've got a great summertime craft for all those kiddos looking for something to do. It's a sword and shield. You can make these at home, and I'll show you how. Your kit will contain a sword, a shield, crayons to color it with, and this paper strip that you can use for a handle. For the handle, you just fold here and here, so you have room for your hand, and then on the ends so that it can be taped to your shield, like this. You just tape it on the back here and here, just like that. Then you have a handle to hang on to your shield to fight off all those dragons. Our summer reading program theme this year is fairy tales. You could read those or any book that you like for the summer reading program. If you haven't already joined, join today. All the information is on our website, childrens.bclibrary.org. There you'll find information that will take you to the website to sign up. The website is a great way to keep track of all your summer reading. And remember, audiobooks and virtual story times count as well. Call today to make a curbside service appointment to get your books and a craft. This will make a great summertime activity, and it'll come in handy in case there's ever a dragon about, you know? Like this big kind of... It's a dragon! You're not a dragon! I'm so glad it's Dewey and not a dragon. Oh, Dewey the unicorn here. He is our summer reading program mascot. What's that? What was it? Oh, what a great question. You're so smart, Dewey. Dewey wanted to know how you go about getting these things. All you have to do is call the library curbside service number and request stories all about fairy tales or knights or dragons. We have a bunch. And then when they're ready for you, they'll put them in a bag with your craft supplies and you're ready to go. Thanks so much, Dewey, for joining us today. It was so good to see you. And sorry I mistook you for a dragon at first. I guess I just had dragons on the mind. What's that, Dewey? Oh, you have a special dance you want to show us. Hey, I think that's a great idea. Okay, Dewey. Oh, I like this. That's fun. Woo! Doing with Dewey, yeah. All right, thanks, Dewey. High hook, yeah. Woo!